In this video, I'll show you how to clear Safari history on your MacBook. This is useful if you want to remove your browsing history, fix some website loading issues, or simply keep your Safari browser clean. The steps work on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, or any Mac using Safari. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. Once Safari opens, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, click Clear History. A small window will appear. Next to Clear, you can choose the time range you want to delete. You can select the last hour, today, and yesterday, or all history. If you want to completely clear your Safari browsing history, choose All History. After selecting the time range, click Clear History. Safari will now remove your browsing history for the selected period. This will also clear related website data, such as cookies and cached information from websites you visited. Now, if you want to remove more website data manually, go back to the top left corner and click Safari again. Then click Settings or Preferences, depending on your macOS version. Next, go to the Privacy tab. Click Manage Website Data. Here you'll see a list of websites that stored data on your Mac. To remove everything, click Remove All. Then confirm by clicking Remove Now. This can help if you want a deeper cleanup, especially if websites are still remembering your login sessions or preferences. Once you're done, close the Settings window. And that's it. You have successfully cleared Safari history on your Mac. Now Safari should be cleaner, and your browsing history will no longer appear in the History menu. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions.